Hello everybody, just to let you know, this is one of the best affordable new homes in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a beautiful new 1450 square feet home in a fabulous gated community. All stainless steel appliances and blinds are included. Starting price is at $370,990. This home will not last long. Please give me a call if you are interested. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here in Magnolia Crest inside D.R. Horton, and today we are going to feature the 1450 plan. It's a 2-story home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And there is an HOA for $56 with this community. This is gated. It has a community park, a dog trail, and also all the appliances are included as well as the blind. Let's go check how this house looks like. So welcome to the 1450 plan. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Right by the door you see a video doorbell and also this keyless entry. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice flooring and your open layout area. Pretty much what you see here is included except the furnitures and the pink accent wall. Normally it comes with white paint. The open layout area is very spacious. It's connected to your modern kitchen and also your dining area. This modern kitchen featured a nice quartz island. They extended the island to a breakfast bar, so that way it's very convenient if you have to serve meals on the counter. Right here, this door is your storage area. It lies underneath the stairs. Next to that is a staircase leading to your second floor. As you see here, all the appliances are included. The Whirlpool refrigerator, the gas stove, microwaves, and also the dishwasher is included when you purchase the house. Single stainless steel sink. Right here is your pantry. And on this side is your powder room. Comes with a pedestal sink and your toilet bowl. This side is the 2-car garage. They use it as an office. Now let's go look at your backyard. Normally when you get the house, it comes with a dirt lot, but this comes with a little favors outside. The front area, they already landscape it with the favors, and those are included when you purchase a house, but the backyard is not. Let's go check the rest of the house. Let's go back in. This is the loft area, perfect if you have kids. You can convert this to a study room or a gaming room. This side right here is your laundry area. The washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. I love the flooring. This is one of the bedroom with a standard closet. And also they added one recessed light and one window. A full bed should fit in this room. There's another bedroom over here. One window, one recessed light, and a standard closet. And this is the shared bathroom. Tub and shower combo. Now let's go check the primary room. This room is very spacious with that huge window. And from here you will see the view of your community park. This is pretty spacious. Right this side is your primary bath. And then your shower area. The blue accent wall is not included when you purchase the house. They usually come with the white paint. This is your walk-in closet right here. Overall, the primary room is pretty spacious. And also they added this loft, which is perfect. Again, this is the plan 1450. Starting price is $370,990. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath and 2-car garage. And if you are interested of owning one of this home, normally on your first visit you need a realtor or real estate agent that can represent you. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next one.